Welcome to Connect with KSD, providing tools and tips for families to support their students' learning success. Kennewick School District uses ParentSquare to make communication more efficient and ensure that parents stay well-informed and actively involved in their child's education. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change your language preference. ParentSquare offers two-way translation in over 100 languages. Parents control their own language settings in the mobile app and how they want to receive posts, messages, and other communication. To change the language preference using the ParentSquare mobile app, select the triple bars menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Next, select Account and then Preferences. From the Preferences screen, select Language Setting. Choose a preferred language. When this is done, you will receive communication in your preferred language. Stay connected and informed about what's happening in your child's classroom, school, and district by using ParentSquare with your preferred language. For more information, visit www.ksd.org.